Hi guys, my name is Vivek. Welcome to Gizbot video. Today we have bought a new unboxing video for you and we will be unboxing the latest Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. So without wasting any further time, let's do the same. This is the Indian retail unit of the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. As you can see, it comes with a new eco-friendly packaging. On the back, they have mentioned some of the features available on this smartphone such as 5G service, USB Type-C, HDMI and more. And if you look at the bottom part of the box, they have mentioned the Motorola.com, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, Dolby Atmos support, and on the bottom part they have mentioned that this specific model comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage in cosmic grey color. On the box they have mentioned an MRP of 49,999 rupees, but this device is expected to launch at a slightly lower price. So without wasting any further time, let's unbox the actual smartphone. Opening up the box, we have a cardboard envelope inside the box which again says eco-friendly packaging and it has been printed using a soy ink. If you further open, you have a soft TPU case with a bit of a texture inside which should help the smartphone to grip with the case easily. And then you have a SIM ejector pin, you have a safety warranty booklet, and then you have an information guide where it will showcase some of the prominent features of this Motorola Edge 30 Fusion smartphone. The very next thing that you get inside the box is the actual smartphone itself, which is pretty light for a smartphone of this size, and it is also packed using a paper-like material which is expected to be an eco-friendly material. And then you also get a fast charger in the box, which is something that not many of the smartphones give in the modern day and age. And then finally you have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable because the charger is also a USB Type-C adapter. Now let us look at the actual Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Again, it comes with this paper-like covering, and then on the back you have a glass back panel with metal body, and you have a triple camera setup at the back with a 50 megapixel primary sensor, a dedicated ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel depth or macro lens. On the top, if you see, it has a pretty flat edge and it also mentions that the device supports Dolby Atmos. If you look at the right side of the phone, we have a power button with a bit of a texture, volume rocker, and on the left side you have almost nothing. If you look at the bottom, you have a SIM card tray, a USB Type-C port, primary microphone and primary speaker. At the front, you have the main display which is a curved AMOLED display with 144 refresh rate and a punch hole cutout. Motorola 30 Fusion also runs on stock Android user interface. As you can see, the phone is currently running on Android 12 operating system and the device is likely to get updated to Android 13 in the next few months. Again, as I mentioned before, it has a 3D curved display which is an AMOLED display with an in-display fingerprint sensor. If you look at the pre-installed apps, there actually aren't many except for the Facebook and a couple of Google apps, and it does offer a clean Android user interface. As I mentioned before, the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion comes with a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixel primary sensor offering features like optical image stabilization. As you can see, this has been taken on the primary camera of the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and you can also take an ultra wide angle lens because it has a dedicated ultra wide angle camera, and you have a 2 megapixel macro lens which can focus the objects from a really short distance. And again, you also have a high resolution 32 megapixel selfie camera. As I mentioned before, this phone comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Now, out of the box, the phone is using around 16GB of storage and you get around 110GB of free internal space. You also get the gesture navigation system, modern user interface and a 3D curved display, so that this does feel a lot like a premium smartphone. This has been the quick unboxing of the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion smartphone. For more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification each time we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.